I'll show you how to replace your speaker on your LG G5 because it's a common problem in these phones right now. So you just pull this thing out. You can easily replace this whole module. You have to play around with battery to pull it out this way. You can either replace this whole thing, or you can actually replace the speaker. So unscrew this thing. There's two screws on the sides. And then take off this thing, the top thing. You can use a knife or something sharp just to pull it off. This thing came off. And there's one more screw right here. Take it off. And then just peel this thing off. Here's your speaker right here, and here's the charging port. You can just pull it out and replace pretty much charging port to your new one if you got one. Here's the speaker. You can just buy a whole new assembly off eBay or somewhere. Thanks for watching.